My name is Michelle Dyer, and I just have to note I am not a financial advisor. Please consult one. And the views expressed here are strictly my own and do not reflect my employer. An emergency fund. You need to have at least 6 to 8 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund. Now, the emergency fund has to be liquid. That's why I recommend a money market because you can take it out at any time. And it has to be in a place that you don't see. So I have my bank accounts with my credit union, and then I have my money market with a separate institution. So it is an account that when I log into my online banking, I don't see that money. So I set it and forget it for my deposits, my automatic deposits into my emergency fund. And then once I hit that number for the emergency fund, I don't look at it again and I forget that it's there, which is great because an emergency fund is not for new headshots. It's just that for an emergency. God forbid you get hit by a truck or you're an idiot like me and walking across the street in Times Square and get hit by a bike. God forbid something was actually like hurt or broken on me and I needed the money to pay my deductible. Any disaster that you can think of, you need the money for extra medical expenses, unexpected medical expenses, or you live in an area where you need to drive and you have to replace your engine, any big unexpected expense. Susie Orman recommends at least 6 to 8 months because she would say that's the amount of time that it would take people to look for and find a new job. Now, we're actors. We always lose a job at the end of each contract, so it's not really what it is for us. But for us, it is a true emergency. It's not but the money that we use to get ourselves to the next job. It is used for a true emergency. So set it and forget those automatic payments to the emergency fund. And then once you hit your number, you can cancel the automatic payments. And then it's in an account. You know where it is. You know the login. You just don't look at it every day when you go to your online login.